People of God, I want to remind you that the Lord is a progressive God. And even as you see technology advancing with the introduction of AI and different levels of AI, and as AI continues to grow, the Lord is saying, depend on my Holy Spirit. He has the original truth, the original information that you need. He says, this is why I said I would pour out my spirit on all flesh in these end times, because I understood that there was going to be such advance in technology that you would think that is the true thing. I've even seen where people were seeking prophetic words from AI programs, but the Lord is saying, rely on my Holy Spirit. I'm pouring it out for you in dreams, visions, and prophecies, and none of you are exempt. I can impart and speak to all of you, but he says, look to me beyond the scope of a day, a week, a month, and even a year. I can speak to you advance in the future for decades, for centuries. Do not despise my prophetic ministry, he says. Listen, the Lord wants to take us beyond even what AI is doing. The Lord wants to take us beyond. Do not fear what AI is doing, but know that the Holy Spirit has a spiritual intelligence that he wants to impart to you that will rival and surpass whatever technology the world systems come up with. So don't despair, saints. Time is advancing, technology is advancing, but our Holy Spirit is way beyond their advancement. There's nothing that they can come up with that can rival the Spirit of God.